Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Redmi Earbuds 2C True Wireless earphones. Now, this is the front side of the packaging where we can see what the product looks like, and they wish to call out a couple of features. The first is to do with the battery life, which goes up to 12 hours, and that's for playback time. Then this thing works with voice assistance on your smartphone. And lastly, it's rated for IPX4 Sweat and Splash proof. The right side of the packaging has the name of the product, and the same goes on the left as well. There's nothing on the top, but on the bottom, there's a little authenticity sticker. You can scratch the bottom and check if this is indeed authentic or not. You get a number, which you can verify on the website. Flipping the box around, we get to see the model number, which is TWS EJ061LS. This thing only comes with one unit, as is kind of obvious. Then you get the pricing details as well as the year of manufacture. That's it for all the information that we can find outside the box. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Inside the packaging, we find a few things. The first happens to be replacement ear tips. These are in small and large size. The medium ones come pre-installed on the earbuds. Then you've got a little instruction manual. You should always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate the device properly. And the last thing happens to be the charging case with the earbuds inside them. We should note that there is no charging cable inside the box. And if you flip it around, you don't see it mentioned in the contents either. But if you do wish to charge it, you will require a micro USB interface. That is a charger, USB charger, any normal USB charger with a micro USB interface. So that's it for the unboxing of the Redmi Earbuds 2C True Wireless earphones. Thank you for watching.